Monsters here with another video. Just checking out some old Daredevil episodes. Check this out. Vicious guard dog, right? I'll show you how he neutralizes this dumb mutant. So I got a hole in his head. Well, Daredevil's blind if you don't know. I don't know where that little emoji popped up from, but that's YouTube. Watch this. See, what is this, dude? What is that? It keeps popping up. ZooTube trying to tell me that they like dogs? Bullshit. This is why dogs suck, folks. See that? That's what you need to guard your homes, not dogs. They don't bark, they bite. You cannot use one of these items here for an easy manipulation tool like throwing food at it. No, it's going to turn you into a gazpacho. Dogs suck, folks. No other thing else to say.